sports car. It's very nice. Supra, Toyota Supra. Very nice, Toyota Supra. But guys, very nice Toyota Supra. Okay, like this here. Toyota Supra. Sports car. Super high price. High volume. Toyota Supra sports car. Very nice. Toyota Supra sports car. So very nice. Very nice Toyota Supra. Toyota Supra is a very nice. Very nice Toyota Supra. Nice. Nice Toyota Supra. Toyota Supra. Very nice Toyota Supra. Yes, yan. Toyota Supra. Sports car. It's a high price value. Maybe it's a 3 million. Is 6,000 ba? 6,000 million yen. Nice. Toyota Supra. So covered truck. Nice covered truck. Covered truck. Nice covered truck. Very nice covered truck. Okay guys, sa place of Bikin, Matsusaka, Japan, is the tower, NTT Tower. Is the NTT Signal, NTT Tower. Okay guys, thank you sir. Okay sir, thank you so much. Okay sir, okay sir, okay sir, okay sir, okay sir, okay sir. Okay sir, okay sir, okay sir, okay sir, okay sir. Your place of Matsusaka is a Toyota Supra. Is very nice sports car. Toyota Supra. Thank you guys.